Morning, students. So today I am here with one more new chapter, that is chapter number 4, planning. So we'll discuss today what do you mean by planning, what are the important aspect of planning in a management, and what are the features of planning and meanings of planning. So the process of management consisting of the various functions like planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling, as we have seen. So planning is the first and the foremost function which provide a base for all other managerial function in the organizations. In fact, all organization, whether the government or private enterprise, big or small, business units, planning is required to be done, and planning try to achieve the organizational objectives. So first of all, what is this planning? As we know, planning is the primary function of management and involves thinking in advance regarding what to be done, how to be done, where to be done, etc. So before starting any tasks, every manager formulates strategies and how to do a particular task. Thus, planning bridges the gap between where we are and where we want to be. So it is playing a role of bridge between the two sides of a river, you can say. So that is, planning is bridging the gap between where we are at present and where we want to be in future course of time. So this is the meaning, general meaning of planning that we can say. And definition of planning, there are so many definitions given by the different management specialists. Among them, Amy Hurley says that planning is deciding in advance what to be done, and it involves the selection of objectives, policies, procedure and program among alternatives. So this is one definition. This definition says that Hurley, so it involves the selection of objectives, policies, procedure and programs from the various alternatives is said to be as a planning. Okay, now to have some more idea regarding the planning, let us see the features of planning says what. Features, you can say the characteristics also, you can say, of planning. Okay, see features of planning. There are 7 points that I have written in board. Planning focus on achieving objectives, number 1. Number 2, primary function of management. Planning is the primary function of management. Third, planning is pervasive. 4, planning is a continuous process. Fifth, planning is a futuristic. Number 6, planning involves decision making. And number 7, planning is a mental exercise. So what these points says us, how the characteristics of the planning involves in it, or if you want to say a particular act as a planning, then it must include all these characteristics or features. So number 1 is focus on achieving objectives. The first and the primary objective says us that it is a planning is a goal oriented process. Without any goal, without any objectives, planning cannot be done. There must be some definite objectives should be there, and accordingly the necessary action plan are being made to achieve that particular objectives. So planning is focused on what, clarifying what is to be done and how it is to be done, where it is to be done. These things are being done in the first and the very beginning of the planning process. Thus planning holds no purpose. It does not focus on achievements of preset organizational or corporate objectives. Means any organizations, first of all they will decide what is to be done, what is their objective, what they want to do, and accordingly only the planning will do the various steps they will do, that how these objectives can be achieved, or how these objectives can be fulfilled So this fulfillment of the objectives is focused by the process of planning. So that is why it is said that focus on achieving objectives. Number 2, primary function of management. Now we know there are 5 basic functions of management: planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. These are the 5 functions. But planning is the first and the very basic function of a management. Every management start with planning. All other functions like organizing, staffing, directing, controlling follow the planning only. So it precedes the execution of all managerial functions and allow managers to organize, staff, direct, control and manage whatever you say. So that is why it is the primary function. Without doing the planning, you cannot do organizing, you cannot do staffing, you cannot do directing or a controlling. So that is why it is said to be as a what? Primary function of management. Number 3, planning is pervasive. So pervasive word means what? This is not linked to a particular level or a particular people are doing planning. No, it is not like this. As we know, there are 3 levels of management: top level, middle level and broad level. So planning functions are included in all the levels of the management. It is not only the function of a top level or any particular department, but planning is required in every levels of the managements. Okay, so that is why pervasive means it is going all the way of the management process. So the scope and nature of the planning may be different from the top level to the middle level and to the middle level to the lower level or any other departments, but the planning should be there. Okay, so nature and scope of planning may be different, different to the different organization, different with different departments, etc. But all the levels, all the people, those who are working, they must have their own planning according to their own objectives. Okay, next, number 5 is planning is a number 4 is planning is a continuous process. It is said that planning is a continuous process. It is not like this, that once the planning is done and the planning function finished. No, planning process begin with the establishment of an organization and continues as long as the enterprise is existing. कोई भी एक संगठन आरंभ होने के साथ साथ तुम्हारा परिकल्पना शुरू होता है और वो चलते जाता है जब तक वो संगठन चल रहा है. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द मीनिंग. इट इज़ टू बी परफॉर्म इन ऑल सिचुएशन एंड at all levels of the working. So planning is continuous means it is going on. Once the particular task is finished, again the planning goes start. So as we have seen, the function of management is a cyclical process: planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, planning. So this way it is going on. Once it is done, it is stopped. No, it is not like this. So it is a continuous process from the establishment of the organization. It is existing, going on to its existence. So that is the meaning. Say for example, I can give you, if plans are made during a boom period of a organization, it execute during a depression period. Corresponding change need to be made in the plans due to the respect of the latest prevailing condition. So whatever the planning, say we have done at present, we are planning is again, you see, futuristic means we are not planning for the past, we are planning for the future. So whatever the plan is done at present, at a future course of time that plan may not work again. That depending upon the situation and environment, the planning may change and again new plan have to be done or some rectification may be done. So it is a continuous process. Number 5, it is a futuristic. See, again I have said only that planning is always a futuristic, never for the past. हम पिछले साल के लिए प्लानिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम कल के लिए प्लानिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं. जो होने वाला है, जो करने जा रहे हैं हम उसके बारे में प्लानिंग करते हैं. मतलब हम भविष्य के लिए प्लानिंग करते हैं. सो इट इन्वॉल्व्स peeping into the futures and analyzing same and preparing the plan accordingly. सो हम भविष्यों को अंदाज़ा करते हैं, एज्यूम करते हैं और उसके आधार पे ही हम कुछ परिकल्पना बनाते हैं और परिकल्पना बना के उसी आधार पे हम काम करना चाहते हैं. सो इट इज़ फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग. मतलब ये फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग है, बैकवर्ड लुकिंग नहीं है. हम सामने तरफ देख के प्लानिंग करते हैं, हम पीछे तरफ देख के प्लानिंग नहीं करते हैं। जो इसका और एक कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है प्लानिंग का है, ये क्या है, फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग, इट इज़ नॉट ए बैकवर्ड लुकिंग। ओके, सो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ व्हाट यू नो, इट इज़ ए फ्यूचरिस्टिक्स। हम भविष्य के लिए प्लानिंग करते हैं, पास्ट के लिए नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है। एंड नंबर 6 इन्वॉल्व्स डिसीजन मेकिंग। प्लानिंग के द्वारा ही तुम्हारा क्या होता है, प्लानिंग इज एसेंशियली ए प्रोसेस ऑफ मेकिंग चॉइस फ्रॉम अमोंग द वेरियस ऑल्टरनेटिव्स। बहुत सारे रास्ते से एक रास्ता चुनना है हमको। चलो मान लो कोई भी एक काम करना है, चलो मान लो हमको एक काम करना है, जिस काम को करने के लिए हमारे पास में 3 रास्ता है। तो इन 3 रास्ता में से हमको चुन के वो रास्ता लेना है जिन रास्ता हमके लिए सहज होता है, इजी होता है, समय कम लगता है, काम अच्छी तरह से होता है और कम खर्चा में होता है। तो हम उसी रास्ता को हम चुन के लेंगे। तो दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ, जब हम 3 में से एक चुन के लेंगे तो उसको बोलता है कि डिसीजन लेना। तो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज सेड द इन्वॉल्व डिसीजन मेकिंग। हम प्लानिंग के द्वारा कोई भी एक पर्टिकुलर डिसीजन लेते हैं, जो प्लानिंग अगर नहीं होगा तो शायद हम उसको नहीं कर पाएंगे। एंड द लास्ट वन इज प्लानिंग इज ए मेंटल एक्सरसाइज। सो द लास्ट वन, जो मेंटल एक्सरसाइज, मतलब कि प्लानिंग करने का मतलब क्या है, आपको किसी काम नहीं करना है, आपको फिजिकली कोई काम नहीं करना है, आपको मेंटली काम करना है, मतलब आपका दिमाग काम करेगा। सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज सेड एज ए मेंटल एक्सरसाइज। Planning is an intellectual activity required application of mind, imagination and sound of judgment. तो प्लानिंग में क्या होता है एक्चुअली, आपका दिमाग लगाते हैं और आप इमेजिन करते हैं और उसी द्वारा आपका अच्छा जजमेंट, जो परफेक्ट जजमेंट आप लेंगे, वो प्लानिंग करता है। और इसीलिए इसको बोलते हैं इट इज़ ए थिंकिंग फंक्शन रादर देन ए डूइंग फंक्शन। तो प्लानिंग क्या होता है, आपको सोचने वाला काम करता है, कोई काम एक्चुअली करने का नहीं है, पहले आपको दिमाग में वो काम करना है। सो दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ सेड एज ए थिंकिंग फंक्शन रादर देन ए डूइंग फंक्शन, एज इट इज़ डिटरमाइन द एक्शन टू बी टेकन। कौन सा काम आपको करना है वो डिसाइड करता है प्लानिंग के द्वारा। मोरओवर प्लानिंग रिक्वायर्स लॉजिकल एंड सिस्टमेटिक थिंकिंग बेस्ड ऑन एनालिसिस ऑफ फैक्ट्स एंड फोकस्ड। तो प्लानिंग का और एक मेंटल एक्सरसाइज इसीलिए बोला जाता है क्योंकि इसमें आपको लॉजिक के द्वारा कोई भी सिस्टमेटिक प्रोसेस के द्वारा जो भी फैक्ट्स और फिगर है, जो तथ्य है, जो भी जानकारी है, उसके आधार पे आप लॉजिकल, जो मतलब वास्तव रूपांतर करने लायक जो काम है उसको आप सोचेंगे और पद्धति अनुसार आपको उस काम को करने का जो सोच है, उस सोच को डेवलप करने का काम ही होता है प्लानिंग। और इसीलिए इसमें क्या बोलता है, इट इज़ ए मेंटल एक्सरसाइज। So students, I hope you have got some idea regarding the planning function. So planning is a focus on achieving objectives. Planning is the primary function of management. Planning is pervasive. It is a continuous and futuristic process. It involves decision making, and planning is a mental exercise. Okay, so we'll discuss importance of planning in next class. Until now, thank you.